friends, how are you? So today I'm going to explain you a bit about trading in share market. So before starting investing in share market, you must be having a demat account in your banks. And after getting your demat account open with the banks, you must be having some kind of a broker with you. Broker means like I've opened an account with Zerodha. There are n number of brokers available, so you can choose according to your own preferences. So once you have downloaded Zerodha from your Google Play Store, you can find it here also on your screen. So you just need to write here kite Zerodha and the screen will appear. This is a dashboard which will appear to you, right? And it is showing holdings 22.25. So it is showing a P&L, a profit and loss of mine. I've already purchased a few shares, so that is the reason why it is showing the profits and loss here, right? Otherwise, it will not show any holdings to you, because if you have not invested anything, it will not show any holdings to you. Holdings means these are those shares or securities which you are currently holding in your hand, which you have already purchased, right? So this is the basic purpose of dashboard. It will explain you briefly about your investments. Then we have orders. So whatever orders you will place, if you are in intraday transaction, if you have purchased shares for intraday purpose, it will appear here. If you have placed a sell order, it will appear here. If you have placed a buy order, then also it will appear here. The next is holdings. So under holdings, it is showing that I have purchased Epcotex India, and the average cost was 78.18. The last traded price means at which the market closed yesterday was 180.20, right? And the current value is 1982 rupees. Right, so this is the current value. It is showing me the profits and losses generated by me, and it is showing the percentage change as well. That means whatever I have invested on that investment, I have earned 1.14%. So this is a brief about your investments, that how your investment will appear in your holdings. Then we are having positions. So if you have purchased any securities and you have not sold them, those will be appearing here, that you have purchased these securities and these are in your account only. You need to transact with these securities, so your securities will appear here. In funds, you can add funds, you can withdraw funds from here. So it is up to you that how much money you want to add, how much money you want to invest. Adding funds does not mean that you can invest the whole amount, you want to invest the whole amount. It depends upon you. Like suppose you have added here 5,000 rupees, but you want to invest only 1,000 rupees right now. So what will happen? While placing the order, just purchase those shares, those securities which you can buy under 1,000 rupees. So your transaction will be placed. This was a brief about the options given here. Now let's move on to the left hand side. So this is a page appearing here. These are the securities which I have added to keep a watch upon. Right. So we are having 5 pages here. Page number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have renamed them. Page number 2 is for fall. Page number 3 is for rise. You can rename them as well. You can rename them in your mobile phone as well, if you are having an app in your mobile phone as well. So fall means I will add those securities in this page number which according to me are going to fall in the near future, and I'm going to add those securities here in the third sheet which I think are going to increase in the near future. Right, so these are red. If these are red, that means the prices of these securities have fallen down. If these are green, that means the prices of the securities have increased. So how to add the securities here? Let's suppose under fall I need to add the security of Yes Bank. Let's suppose. So what will I do? I'll go for here in search tab. I will write Yes Bank. So yes, it's appear here. That is buy, sell. If you want to buy, you'll click on it. If you want to sell, you will click on it. This will show you the chart. I'll explain you the chart later on. and this is going to show you the market depth. I'm not going to explain what market depth is right now because I'm just giving you a brief about the investments. Now if you'll click on add, this will be added to your second page of your watch list. So if you this was my page number 1, and this is my page number 2, and page number 2 I have added Yes Bank. The current price of Yes Bank is 15.75. That means one share you can buy for 15.75 rupees. 4.65%, and the arrow is showing upward direction. That means the prices of Yes Bank on the last traded day has increased by 4.65%. Right? So if you want to see the chart of this, you can click on this button, chart. So chart will appear here. So I've added a few indicators here. I'm going to hide them so that it will be clear to you, right? Yeah, this is the chart. So this is the candlestick chart pattern which I am using. I prefer to use this one because it explains very easily that what is the high price, what is the low price, what is the open and what is the closing price, right? So okay, for high and low and closing price, let me explain with the tab. With one candle, okay. I think you can see this candle, right? Let me zoom it. I'll show you one candle so that I can explain you the high price, the low price, the opening and the closing. So I guess this is visible to you, this candle is visible to you. These thin lines are known as wicks, W-I-C-K-S, wicks. Right, so in this case your prices started from here on this level, that is 15.75. it went down a little bit and it fell to 15.70. then it moved back and it reached up to 15.85. this is the top of your wick, this is the top of your candle as well, right? So 15.85, and again because of market demand and supply it fell down to 15.80. so it closed at this price 15.80. so the last second of your 5 minutes your prices were at 15.80. so this is what the candle explains, that your prices begin from here, it fell down to here, it went up to here, and it closes on this level. This can easily explain the open, high, low and close price of your 5-minute chart. If you are not comfortable with candlestick chart, you can change the chart as well. If you will click on this bar, this candle bar, you'll get multiple options here. We are having bars, hollow candles, Heikin-Ashi, line. So if you will click on line, I'm giving you just an example, your line will look like this. So it is not showing the open price, the low price, the high price. So it is very difficult to get the information out of the line chart. So this is the reason why I prefer candlestick chart, and moreover the candles explains that in this 5 minutes the prices were falling down because it is having red candle here, and in the next candle the prices moved up because it is showing a green color. So green color means the prices went up and red color means the prices fell down. So you are having a tab of indicators here as well. So if you click on indicators, you'll see that we are having a number of indicators available here. So we are having one most popular indicator which is termed as MACD. If you will type MACD here, you will get the option. If you click on it, the MACD chart or indicator will be applied on your graph. So it will look like this. I have changed few settings in the above one, so that is why it is looking like this. Otherwise the normal chart will appear like this, the below one. So you can change the settings from here. We are having 3 options here: hide and show, format and delete. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here, and if you want to change the settings, you can format it from here. Just click on the button. Inputs we are having, and we are having style as well. So if you want to look, or you want your chart to appear like something else, you can change the settings from here. You can increase the thickness of the line from this tab, or if you want to change from histogram to columns, you can turn it into columns, you can change it into area. So it depends upon you that how you want your chart to appear on your screen. Then you just need to click OK and your changes will be done. So I'm just deleting this one because I'm already having MACD bar here. So this is MACD. Moreover, we are having few tools as well which we can use to calculate or to estimate the prices of the share market. So if you want to apply those tools, you need to click on this blue bar. If you click on this one, the tools will appear here. So we are having a number of tools here. This one will help you to draw a trend line, and we are having a number of options available here as well. If you click on the second tab, we are having pitchfork, fib retracement, we are having fib extension. So we are having a number of fib extensions here. So it completely depends upon the investor that which tool is helping him or her to decide that in which stock they should invest. So this was all about Zerodha. I've explained few features of Zerodha, that how you can view your watch list, how you can add securities or you can delete securities in your watch list, and few other things which are going to help you when you are going to make investments in the share market. So later on I'll come back with new videos to tell you more about the shares and more about using the tools. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Thank you so much. Bye.